welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be filming a early 2000s look for you. So I'm going to be doing the hair, the makeup, and the outfits, of course. So I'm going to be linking everything down below, like where I got it from. Like for instance, the sunglasses are from Amazon, and then the hair clips, the jewelry, and then the clothes. I got it from Shein and Prettylittlething. But I was so excited to film this video. I've been wanting to film this for like a week, which honestly feels like forever. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy the video, so keep on watching. So I already did my foundation and my eyebrows because I wanted to do it off camera because I was looking a little rough, and I was like, yeah, I'm not letting nobody see me without foundation and eyebrows on, so that's why I had to do it. And plus I just look really tired today, but I'm so excited to film this video for you guys, so I was like, you know what, we're just gonna do it, like, even if I freaking look like a blowfish. But anyways, but okay, so on to eyeshadow. So I'm just taking some of like my, what is this even called? Loose face powder, my Airspun. Sorry, I'm not really good at makeup tutorials, but like, so I'm just gonna set like my eyes for when I do my eyeshadow. Going on to taking my Morphe palette, I'm gonna take just like two simple like brown colors, and I use these like all the time, clearly because I've hit pan already. But yeah, so I just like to use these even if it's my eyeshadow look isn't gonna be like brown at the very end. I feel like this is just a very good, like, what would you call it, like a transition color, or like just, you know, just to have as a base. So I'm just gonna put that in there. Alright, next, I haven't used this palette in so long. Actually, I use it, but I use it for like my highlight, like underneath my brow bone. But like, actually no, I just use the brush. I don't use any of the colors anymore. Clearly, I haven't used this in so long because I can't even read what this says anymore. So I actually Googled it before I was filming this video. And so I'm going to be taking, I want to say this is Liar Mugshot. No, this is Nooner, I don't even know how you say that. Liar, Mugshot, and Factory. So I'm just taking 4 colors, all 4, and I'm just gonna blend them together, and I'm gonna put them in my crease. Okay, then I'm taking this Smashbox Full Exposure, like little mini makeup palettes. So I'm gonna be taking like this glittery rose pink, and then I'm just gonna apply it with my pinky. I notice sometimes if I apply like eyeshadows with like my fingers, they just turn out better. I mean, I still love using brushes, but sometimes you just gotta use your fingers, and it actually comes out better than using like the application of a brush. Then we're gonna go ahead and do highlights. So for this makeup look, I tried different, I can't even talk. I tried different, hello? Okay, anyways, so I definitely tried like incorporating like how the makeup looks were like back then, or like the makeup trends with like the pink, the purple, and like, you know, just like different eyeshadow colors. But like I definitely wanted to keep it like a little bit like what I do like normally on an everyday basis, because I was like, I obviously still want the makeup to look like good, and I didn't want me to look like a clown. So now next is gonna be the lipstick. So I'm just gonna be taking, which one is this? I actually don't know. It's NARS. It's called Do Me Baby. So I'm gonna be taking that. So after I did my lipstick, I'm just gonna take my Fenty lip gloss, and this one is in Gloss Bomb. So I'm just gonna take this and put some gloss. I normally don't wear gloss like all the time, or I don't even really wear it usually, but I just feel like they definitely like, lip gloss was a big thing back then. So now we're done with makeup. So for the hair, I'm just gonna go ahead and part it where I'm gonna want my ponytail at. And then I'm just gonna part another section right here, so about 1/3 of my hair, and then bringing that in front of my face, and then everything else I'm just gonna put it up in a ponytail. Okay, so I'm just gonna use, like I said, I'm using the hairspray just so it has like that more sleek look, you will say. It just looks more clean too, also. Okay, that should be good. And just like smooth out any ends that you have too. It's like way better. So then for the final part of the hair, which is actually like, I'm so excited for these. So this one says damn, and then this one says queen, so you know, damn queen. I tried to find one that said drama queen and I literally couldn't, so if anybody knows where to find those, please let me know because I don't. But I got these from Shein, so we're just gonna go ahead and pop those in. Okay, I'm like hoping that it like doesn't mess up my hair, which it won't. So that is it for the makeup and the hair, and now onto the outfits.
To all the ladies in the place with style and grace, allow me to lace these lyrical douches in your bushes who rock grooves and make moves with all the mommies. The back of the club sipping Moet is where you find me. The back of the club macking holes, my crew's behind me. Mad question asking, blunt passing, music blasting. But I just can't quit because one of these honeys Biggie got to creep with.
So hard every night and day, and now we get the payback. Trying so hard, saving up the paper, now we get to lay back. Working so hard every night and day, and now we get the payback.
Straight up, honey, really, I'm asking. Most of these niggas think they be macking, but they be acting. Who they attracting with that line? What's your name? What's your sign? Soon as he buy that wine, I just creep up from behind and ask you what your interests are. Who you be with? Things that make you smile. What numbers to dial? You gon' be here for a while. I'm gon' call my crew. You gon' call your crew. We can rendezvous at the bar around 2. Plans to leave, throw the keys to little C's. Pull the truck up front and roll up the next blunt so we can steam on the way to the telly. Go fill my belly. A T-bone steak, cheese, eggs, and roasted straight. Conversation.